Most of what you know about the fall of Roman paganism is a carefully crafted narrative. Everything you think was inevitable was actually a battle for the soul of the world. Imagine a religion so powerful that every soldier, governor, and elite swore an oath to it in total darkness. Faith that thrived in the shadows of the empire. It was called the Cult of Mithras, and for a century it was the only true rival to Christianity, a secret society that nearly changed the course of Western history. Deep beneath the streets of modern Rome, hidden chambers called Mithraea remain. These were not cathedrals. They were caves, windowless and silent. No windows, no sunlight, only the cold scent of damp stone and the flicker of a single torch to reveal the mystery. Every temple shared the same haunting image, a young god in a Phrygian cap, plunging a blade into the neck of a bull. The Tauroctony. This is not just art. Academic research suggests it is a sophisticated map of the stars, a celestial code for the soul's journey through the cosmos. Unlike other faiths, Mithraism had no holy book. No written scriptures survived. The cult was an oral tradition protected by an ironclad vow of silence. Secrets were passed through 7 levels of initiation, from the raven to the father. Each stage required a trial of courage and stoic endurance. Philosophers suggest it was a system of celestial mechanics, disguised as myth, a way for the elite to understand the movement of the heavens before the age of science. Others believe it was a stoic test of willpower, a brotherhood of soldiers who valued loyalty and discipline above the comforts of the material world. Why did it vanish? When the empire chose the cross, the Mithraists were silenced. Their temples were buried and their icons were destroyed. But did they truly disappear? Some historians argue their midwinter festivals and celestial iconography still linger in the shadows of our modern traditions. Was Mithraism truly defeated, or did it simply change its mask to survive the ages? If a secret is never written down, can it ever truly be killed? Echoes of Aeon. Seek the light in the dark. Subscribe to uncover the lost truths of our world.